Marching ahead, we have a spotlight presentation by Shubham, and may I request Mr. Akshat Shah to please join us.
Hello.
Hello.
So before we start, अक्षत, ये वाटर का इमेज देख करके मुझे कुछ एक गाना याद आ रहा है जो 2-3 दिन से दिमाग में घूम रहा है। शायद आप लोगों ने भी सुना हो कि पानी रे पानी तेरा रंग कैसा, जिसमें मिला दो लगे उस जैसा। तो आप देखिए, अभी क्या है कि सोशल मीडिया का ज़माना है, और अगर इस गाने को हम सोशल मीडिया की स्टाइल में अगर फैक्ट चेक करेंगे तो क्या होगा, मैं आपको बताता हूँ कि पानी अगर क्लियर है, साफ पानी है, और उसको हम ग्लास में डालते हैं तो वो ग्लास जैसा दिखेगा। तो यहाँ तो ये फैक्ट चेक पास हो गया। लेकिन क्या होगा कि अगर पानी डर्टी वाटर है, नाली का पानी हम लोगों ने ग्लास में डाला, तो क्या वो सही है? नहीं, यहाँ वो फैक्ट चेक जो है उस गाना फेल हो गया। ठीक है, बाकी आपने जो है बहुत बढ़िया इमेज लगाया अक्षत। बोरवेल, रिवल, सी वाटर, रेन वाटर, ऑल वाटर फ्रॉम ऑल सोर्सेस, बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है। ये एकदम कांच जैसे गाना बिल्कुल इसी के लिए बना हो।
एक मिनट शर्मा जी, ये जो आपको क्लीन वाटर दिख रहा है वो क्लियर वाटर है, क्लीन वाटर नहीं है। सो व्हाट इज ऑल दैट ग्लिटर्स इज नॉट गोल्ड। जैसे कि माना गया है कि हर जो चीज चमकती है वो सोना नहीं होती, वैसे ही हर क्लियर वाटर क्लीन वाटर नहीं होता।
वो कैसे?
लेट मी एक्सप्लेन. Because clear water has some impurities. There are 4 kind of impurities which we can define into. पहली impurities आती है physical impurities, जैसे turbidity and TSS, जो कि आपको पानी को धुंधला और छांटने मीन्स आपको फिजिकली दिखेगी। सेकंड impurities आएगी chemical, जैसे TDS, dissolved solids, COD, chemical oxygen demand. So these are the parameters which are not been seen into the water, but it is present into the water. Third आएगा biological impurities. As you are from the hospital industry, pathogens and those are important aspect, microorganisms which are to be removed from the water to make it drinkable. So ये biological parameters है। और last है gaseous parameters. So these are the gaseous parameters like carbon dioxide, ammonia, which is present into the water that makes the water not drinkable or something.
So that means these are all disorders of water. And we at Shubham, we are removing these disorders of water to make it suitable for recycle and reuse. So good evening everybody. I am Subhash Sharma.
I am Akshat Shah.
We are representing Shubham Incorporated, and today we will have a representation of a little bit of presentation about what Shubham is doing, what we are into, and what services we are providing. To start with, Shubham being a parent company, we are into water and wastewater treatment, a complete water solution we provide, okay, along with the plumbing solutions. And then next is ATB. ATB is our German partner. We have developed SBR technology along with them to treat the wastewater in SBR technology. Next is iCompost. This is organic waste composter to convert kitchen waste and garden waste into useful manure. Okay. Then comes imemflo. This is membrane technology. We have developed, again this is in partnership with ATB Germany. We have developed membrane technology, that is submerged membrane, for the use of MBBR sewage treatment plant. In ipool, we are providing end-to-end solutions for designing and installation of swimming pools. Okay,
so why Shubham is into water? That is what the main question is. So by 2030, we are expecting 40% of the population will go under, will not have a drinking water, and 6% of India's GDP will be lost due to that reason. So and because as you can see, 750 billion cubic meter water was demand of the last 2018, and that is doubled in 2013 within 12 years. And that is only from the 4% of the water resources available on earth for the drinking purpose, whereas we are contributing 17% of the world's population. And by 2030, 40 cities of India will be under crisis of the water demand. Like we can see that into Bangalore and Chennai cities currently, and that is affecting approx 220 million people into the this industry.
So, ladies and gentlemen, this is high time. Every one of us should think about recycling and reusing of water. To start with the water treatment, the first is filtration technology. In this, first of all, we are providing media filters. We have different options with different media. It removes, as you can see, TSS and turbidity from water. It makes water clear. And then different media options, and it can remove up to 50 microns of suspended solid from water. Okay. Next is ion exchange filtration. That is softener. आप लोगों को देखा होगा कि पानी नल में आता है, बाल्टी में आता है, सब जगह वो खार जमा करता है, नमक जमा हो जाता है उसके अंदर. To remove that, softener is useful. So this is the resin is used in this as a bed. It removes calcium and magnesium hardness. Then in this we have up to 50 ppm, 5 ppm of hardness. That is the commercial zero hardness we are providing.
Fast.
Again, dual media of resin can be used for demineralizing the water also. So that is another option in this. Next is ultrafiltration. This can be either used submerged or non-submerged. If it is submerged, then it becomes membrane filtration. Above ground, it is ultrafilter. It removes TSS and even bacteria. Different range options are there. Up to 0.05 micron filtration it can do. Use in RO pre-filter. RO का pre-filtration जो है वो हम लोग ultrafiltration से करते हैं.
So next product what we have is dialysis RO, specially designed for the dialysis purpose. These are specially designed for the hospital facility where dialysis is required. It has a specialized ETR filters, endotoxin filters, which remove endotoxin from the water, जो कि inflammation of the patient जो होता है वो इसकी वजह से ही होता है. And these are the new standards. According to new standards, we have designed these dialysis RO plants.
When now regarding the wastewater treatment, domestic wastewater treatment, we have latest technology in MBR. As I told you, whenever we talk about sewage treatment plant, this is a biological treatment. But the difference comes when you filter the water. You have seen in the conventional sewage treatment plant, we use dual media filters or sand bed filters. But here, the filtration is done by submerged membranes. So you get very good output. And we are getting BOD less than 5 in this. So it's a very good option to recycle water for flushing application or HVAC application. This is SBR technology, where we are using, this is a batch process technology. In conventional process, they are continuous process, but this is a batch type of process. This is a plumbing solution what we provide, design and consultancy, quality workmanship, repair and maintenance. Then again, this is our other vertical specialty for solar panels, solar solutions, swimming pool, end-to-end solution for swimming pool, designing and...
So these are our some of the specialized customers. Okay. Thank you, everyone. You can visit us for the detail in here. We are present here only. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you so much. May I request Ms. Meeta Patel to please join us and present a token of gratitude to our speakers over here.